Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast like a pro. First, selecting the right bread is crucial for a truly professional result. Opt for a slightly stale, thick-cut bread, like brioche or challah, as it absorbs the custard without becoming soggy. This foundation ensures your French toast has a delightful texture, crispy on the outside and tender within. A good quality bread makes all the difference in achieving that perfect, restaurant-quality finish. Next, let's perfect the batter. Combine 3 large eggs with 1/2 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream for an extra rich custard. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a small pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Don't forget a generous splash of vanilla extract. It truly elevates the flavor profile of your French toast. Now, for the cooking technique. Preheat your griddle or skillet to a consistent medium heat. Add a tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil, ensuring it's evenly melted across the surface. Dip each slice of bread into the batter for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, allowing it to soak without becoming oversaturated. Cook until each side is beautifully golden brown, typically 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, garnish your perfect French toast with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup. A dollop of whipped cream also adds a luxurious touch. Remember, presentation elevates the experience, so arrange it beautifully on the plate. For more great deals and to grab that amazing car air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your gourmet breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.